Sawubona mbukele ekhaya igama lami Sobeni Makhumalo wakwaMsiligo angihambi.
Sawubona mbukeli ekhaya igama lami Uzisiwe Macele. Sihlangene ke namhlanje. Sawubona mbukeli emakhaya. Oh, siqale phansi again.
Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Macele. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. So Makhumalo and Macele are the two wives who are go-getters out of the form Seleku wives, as they have shown interest in show business and of course in securing the bag. They've scored themselves a new TV show called Ezomshado, which will be focusing on giving married couple relationship advices and more. So they've wrapped up filming for their show, and those were some of the behind the scene clips and footages and of course bloopers for the show when they shot it. The show is expected to premiere on Mzansi to channel 136 at 9 p.m. on the 22nd of January 2023. Will you guys be watching? I know I will be. Now guys, please do share your thoughts down in the comment section below, and also subscribe if you have not yet done so, because I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.